Idemo na sljedeći quest. Kad mi krenemo na... Ne možeš kao koliko imaš kasno, zašto se uvijek desi neki quest koji ti odradiš. Uvijek ti možeš naići još questova, ali nemamo sad, znači još ova dva da odradi. Je li neko primetio da je svaki model žene isti?
Who are you? What are you doing? Stay back or I'll jump. You want the first person to try and persuade me.
Easy. That is a long way down, even for me.
It doesn't matter. Nothing matters anymore. The scorpion took my husband's life. There's nothing left for me now.
You could find the scorpion that killed him and kill it.
Are you mocking me or trying to be cruel?
Hey, even bitter laughter is better than death. Hey, why don't you step away from the ledge? Huh?
Jao, stavi da grlo, stvarno mi je ovo objective.
I don't know what to say.
Tell me of your husband.
We used to come up here to watch the herons. Two of them built a nest together in that tree. We watched them bring fish for their young. We dreamed of our own children.
And you are sad because you did not have any.
You're not very good at this, Medjay. You're not making me feel any better.
There is no way to make you feel better. There is only tomorrow. And then the next day. One moment at a time.
What you say is true. I just don't think I can face it.
I want to show you something. I will return soon. Hey, try not to jump. There were some herons nearby, down by that tree. I've got what I need. I should give the feather to the girl.
Ja nemam pojma šta je heron, tako da...
Careful, it's steep.
Now you are worrying about height.
Ej, izvini, ali šta ti je heron? To je ptica neka, jel, ako je feather. Čekaj, ne moram da hvatam, ja ako već imam, onda ne moram da hvatam, tako? Što mi ne piše, moram da hvatam. Da nisam morao uopšte da idem.
This is for you.
A heron feather, why?
It is a Siwe ritual. Feathers mean a lot to us. Anubis will weigh all our hearts when we die against Ma'at's white feather. Yours.
Yep.
Mine. Our loved ones.
Field of Reeds je u stvari
I know what you're doing.
ono što mi
This
zovemo
feather
raj.
is for my afterlife.
Your husband will meet you in the field of reeds when it is time. But it is not a place to rush to. He would want you to live now and be happy.
Yes, you're right. He would. I should thank you for this gift.
You can thank me by showing me the way down.
All right, Medjay, you win. This way. I'm sorry. I must seem childish to you.
Believe me.
Ne osuđujem nikog.
I understand your grief.
That's why you knew what to say, isn't it? Did you lose someone too?
Many have lost.
Yes, izgubio sam sina.
Does it get better?
It gets better. But you will never be the same.
Yes, I already know that.
What is your name?
I am Tua'a. I am not from here.
Tua'a.
I come from Crocodilopolis.
I am Bayek, from Siwe. What are you doing?
Aha, sad se promenila po Tua'a.
You're from Siwe? I can tell. You're so nice. Your people are kind. I didn't want to waste my life sewing and weaving for my father. Then, I met my husband and we eloped. We didn't have much, but we were happy here.
You could return to your family. They will miss you. You could be happy again.
I can't go back to sewing carpets. Besides, my father will never look me in the face again.
Few fathers would turn away the child they thought they had lost.
Leopards! Bayek!
Stay back.
Nekog da ne volim da ubijem životinje, što me terate onda. Si me zajebo, jebem li ti majku životinju. Ovo prvi put je pisalo I like help low.
Are you hurt?
No, but that was terrifying. Death isn't so desirable when you.
Ovo prvi put je pisalo I like help low, man misli da je umro da ne bi bilo to.
Now she wants to live. Hey, that is good. But we should move before hyenas come for the carcasses.
Could you take me to the docks?
You have decided where to go then?
I'll find that scorpion that killed my husband.
Oh, that's nice.
No, I think I know what to do.
Aj, prati me.
I'll head south, maybe even back to Crocodilopolis. I've always wanted to work at the theater. This place has too many
Nije šansa.
for me.
Nadam se da ćemo se sresti u Crocodilopolisu.
Father will miss you, whatever you think.
Nadam se da ćemo se sresti u Crocodilopolisu. Buš, ja uskoro idem tamo. Ovo ćeš sići.
Here we are. Will you be okay?
Thank you, Bayek. I will keep this feather and weigh it against my heart. Go do your hero work.
Be safe, Tua'a.
Tua'a! Čak imam neki crafting. Neki crafting. Oh. Vidimo ovaj quest. Onaj viewpoint ćemo ostaviti možda za sljedeću epizodu. Ili ću ja taj viewpoint odraditi sam, ne znam, vidjet ćemo. Možemo i sada kad završimo ovaj quest, pa tamo da odemo na... Tamo da odemo još do ovog majmuna. Tako da ubijemo krokodila. Investigate Siwe stolen Wally Market. Znači volim ovo investigation misije, ali nekad baš toliko sada traju. Ne sada traju, pa da traju. Ne sada traju i da traju. We need the Solking family the cluster of bird's nest.
Did you hear about that new stall with the treasures from the temple in Siwe?
From a temple? Are you crazy?
Welcome.
Temple of Siwe.
We have many.
This is meant to be genuine, but it's a fake.
Ja sam iz Siwe.
It is not fake. It is real. Would you like?
Nije fake, znam. Ja sam iz Siwe, mala ne volim da govoriš.
Yes, mine. Many unique treasures
Get
from
them.
faraway Siwe. Not fake. Not fake.
Have you got anything real? I'm sure these are not your best pieces.
What do you mean? These are real. More expensive ones at my camp. I can take you. Not far from here.
Mislim da će ono biti krivotvorno, ali ćemo vidjeti.
We have better ones. Would you like?
Jep, krivotvorine.
These are the treasures of yours. Are they fake as well?
I told you, not fake. Oh, did you know? My treasures aren't really real, but not fake. My mother has some real ones anyway.
Zašto sam i Siwe?
I have a secret. I was once a Magi in Siwe. I've seen the real treasures.
Oh, not fair. I made them all myself, you know. Oh, not fair. I made them all myself, you know. No one else can tell.
But do not worry. They are very good fakes. I will not tell anyone.
I
Ako
said,
nisi drugo bajke, bar dobar.
were you really Magi? Maybe you are fake.
Ah, hey.
Rekla mi da sam fejkara.
Cheeky child. Let's see.
We go along the canal.
You lead. I will fake it.
Does not even make sense.
Bajek. Bajek baš zna se decom, neko je bajek pedofil. Fuck.
Mother! Oh no! What can we do? Something is wrong.
Do not be afraid. Lucky for you, I am real. Stay here and keep hidden.
Hurry!
I've got a nice sword. Would you like?
Who in Hades are you?
What's got into it?
Znači vaša pa sam malo to nemao. Koliko sam s tim. R.
Take anything you want. As I told them, I do not have any money, but I have many unique treasures from Siwe.
Mother, he is not a bandit. He is my friend. Thanks for
From
saving
Siwe.
us. I guess you are real. Sorry I said you were fake.
He saved us.
Oprošten.
We have to give him something. We always repay kindness, remember? I've got something. Here. This is a genuine imitation Siwan Kopish. It is very rare. They don't make them anymore. Please, take it with our gratitude.
Mother, he already knows.
Thank you. I'm honored. Yes, I can tell. This one's really real. There are almost none like it.
May you multiply happy years.
Ok, ajmo sad na main quest. Imitation Siwe Kopeš. Ajmo sad na main quest.